the year 570 in the Arabian city of Mecca, during the time of Christianity and Judaism. The Arab world was going well, without many conflicts. There were Bedouins, nomad pastors organized by tribes. There were also farmers who lived in the north or in the areas more fertile and dense in the south. During this time, the majority of the people followed polytheist religions, although a few of the tribes followed Judaism, Christianity, or Zoroastrianism. The city of Mecca was a religious center for some of the northern Arab polytheists, since it already had the sacred wall of Zamzam and a small temple, the Kaaba, still didn't exist, and it was a time for religions like Christianity, Judaism, and Hinduism. The family of Muhammad followed a religion that wasn't any of the ones mentioned previously. It was a polytheistic religion. They worshipped several gods, like the god of water, the god of the sun, or the god of fire. Which is to say, Muhammad followed the religion that was given to him by his family. But in any case, it was not Islam, because Islam didn't yet exist.
उन्होंने बोला कि काबे में जो फलाना मनी है, ऐसे है वैसे है। उनको ये मेरी तरफ से, मेरे ध्यान में है, जैसे जो मैं शंकर जी की पूजा करता हूं, कि प्राचीन काल से राजे महाराजे, पुखराज का शिवलिंग, नीलम का शिवलिंग, कहीं हीरों का शिवलिंग, कई तरह के रत्नों के शिवलिंग हैं हमारे यहां पुराणों में। वो तो उसने पढ़े नहीं। अब अनपढ़ की तरह से वो जो जैसे बोला, तो गुरुजी इसके लिए भी आपको कुछ करना चाहिए।
नहीं, आप सुनो, आप पहले ये किताब यहाँ ले है, हिंदुइज्म एंड इस्लाम, वो किताब लेके पढ़ो। मोहम्मद पैगंबर के चाचा भगवान शिव के स्तुति लिखे हैं, और काबा जो है वो एक शिव मंदिर था, ये भी बात है। तो मैंने लिखा काबा की जो परिक्रमा करते हैं 7 बार, ये वही पद्धति है जैसे परिक्रमा, उसको पूजते हैं। वो बोलता है उसको पूजते नहीं है, ये गलत लिखा है। अरे भाई, पूजते नहीं हो तो उसको सम्मान क्यों देते हो? सम्मान देना है तो पूजा है, काबा का सम्मान ही तो पूजा है। वो कहते नहीं, वो सम्मान नहीं करते, हम पूजते नहीं है, हम सिर्फ घूमते हैं, ये वो बोलता। अब इतना मूर्ख आदमी बोलता है नहीं है, खरगोश का 3 सींग है। अब हाँ भाई, तुम ही तो बड़े हो, अब क्यों वहां उसके साथ क्या?
शिव 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 आदे अनंत शिव योगी महादेव, योगी महादेव आदे अनंत शिव महाबली शिव, महाबली शिव। शिव 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 शिव।
There, and it's not just goat sellers raking in the moolah this festive season, it's also the barbers at Makkah. One of the rituals at the annual Hajj pilgrimage is to shave one's head, and pilgrims are normally willing to pay any price for a clean pate.
कितने पैसे लेते हैं?
एक 10 रियाल।
अच्छा, 200 रियाल।
हाँ, 200 रियाल हो गया।
वैसे तुम्हारा पेशा यही है, यही काम करते हो?
यही है, पेशा नहीं है मेरा। पेशा काज है, बल्दिया का बाहर का लाइन है।
Tariq Ahmed has reason to smile. A Bangladeshi, he works in Mina as a peon. But here in Mecca, he is a cut above the rest as a barber. With pilgrims willing to pay anything to have their head shaved as part of the rituals at Hajj, Tariq decided to use his special skills to his advantage. And considering that there are 2 million male pilgrims here, with just about 150 barbers in Mecca and Mina put together, Tariq doesn't have a moment to spare.
अभी ये डिप्टी है मेरा इधर से।
हाँ।
तो अभी थोड़ा इधर से बेटा आएगा ताई थोड़ा काज करते हैं,
तो अच्छा पैसा बना लेंगे
इंशाल्लाह।
In this season of plenty, the barbers too are charging plenty, 5 to 10 times the normal price. Not surprisingly, the government is not amused.
We have in the field, we have police in the field. For any Hajj, any pilgrim is complain or submit a complaint or talking to the police that they are charging. Of course, the government does not have any profit of this. You could report any incidents to the police officers. The person who is trying to use the pilgrims will be detained and be punished by the law.
But while the season has been a windfall to some, there are those who are doing this as part of the Hajj. And indeed, while the barbers made hay as the sun shone brightly, some of their God-sent clients got a closer shave than they bargained for. But for most of them, the agony was clearly scored over by the ecstasy. With Imtiaz Jalil and Ajmal Jami in Makkah, Muqbil Ahmer for NDTV.
रजसा वर्तमानो निवेशयन्नमृतं वर्त्यञ्च हिरण्ययेन सविता रथेन देवो याति भुवना विपश्यन्ते अग्निं दूतं वृणीमहे होतारं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम् एषामीशे पशुपतिष्पशूनां चतुष्पदां तच द्विपदा